We are Group 3, and our topic is 你走偏了. And these are our contents. So first, we need to find out our target user. Our target user is young people who enjoy walking and hiking. They like to exploring new places on foot and seek a deeper exploration experience. Just like some mountain climbers who aims to conquer the 100 peaks of Taiwan, they want to collect hidden corners of this island, discovering remote places that most people overlook.
This is our goal, and the main goal is to help people to realize more about Taiwan's rural and remote area, and we want to encourage people to stay active through walking. And we hope our application can help people to generate interest about rural remote, and we want everyone can continue using our app. When you first time enter our application, you will see the loading, and then after your loading, you will see this page. You can choose the path you want to race. To make it more engaging, we design an interactive pet racing system that motivates users to walk and explore. Here you can see the whole Taiwan's remote area, and then you will choose the animal of the remote area. And then the path will appear on your homepage. In the homepage, you can also see the daily steps and some tools in our page. Here, in this space, you can fit your pets, you can change their outfits, or you can reselect the pets you want to raise here. And then when you click the button, you will see this. These are the turtle's food. And how do you get this food? We have daily mission for users to earn the food. And we also have regular missions. As users work and communicate steps, they can unlock the introductions and is one of Taiwan's rural communities. We set a project for about 2,000 steps. You will unlock one mission, and these missions include a short article and a Q&A section. This is our Q&A. It will be about true or false or beautiful problems. By answering correctly, users can unlock new landmarks on the map. Here are our map. You can see there's some red icons on the map and some gray. The red icon represents that you unlock and answering correct landmark. You can tap the red icon, and then we also put some information and pictures. And also, we show the directions on how to visit to the location. Next, we also have a calendar feature where users can check their step count history and progress analyzed over time. You can also share your data with your friends, and you can compete with each one. Finally, is the profile section. Users can edit their personal information, view their friend list, and track progress together. At the bottom, there's a display shelf showing all unlocked achievements. The left side displays medals. After you answer all the questions of one remote area, you will get a medal of this area, such as this is Yong'an, this is Danshui, and so on. On the right side, they show some trophies here, and which are unlocked when the system detects that the user has spent a certain amount of time in a rural location in real life, such as you spend a time to Yong'an for 1 hour or 30 seconds, then you will unlock a trophy and an animal outfit here. Finally, these displays are visible to friends, allowing users to share their achievements, compare progress, and stay motivated. In short, this application combines working, learning, and interactive pet care to make exploring Taiwan's rural regions both meaningful and fun.
Hello, my name is Anne. For the next part, I will going to talk about the workflow. So let's look at the processing part. We have 6 big systems, including the register record system, step management system, diet system, QA system, the achievement system, and also the transportation organization. So let's look at the first one, the login system and record system. In this part, we will input the user's account and password into it. Then we will store it in the user database. For the output, we can show the personal page, the calendar, the register results. Okay, so for the second one, the step management system. In this part, we have to input the step sensing data, which will record how many steps the user walk. So then we will have to store it in the step record table. So in the output, it will, of course, it will show how many steps the user walk. For the third part is the diet system. So after the user achieves their missions in the inputs, they will get the foods as the reward. In this time, the storage will show the turtle's level and also its status. In the display of the output, it will show the eating turtle and also to update the turtle's level and status. For the fourth part is the QA system. So after the user reaches the step goals, they have the chance to answer the question from the information we gave, and they will have the chance to unlock the tourist attraction on the map. So in the attraction database, it will have to include the information of the rural area and also the question and answer. Of course, it has to include the maps. So in the output, it will unlock all the tourist attraction in the map. The fifth part is the achievement system. After user unlock all the tourist attraction on the map, they will have the medals and also the trophies in the storage. So in the output, it will show the shelves of the medals and trophies they got on their screen. For the sixth part is the transportation organization. In this part, we will collect the way to go to the rural area in Taiwan. In the output, we will show it clearly to make the user know how to go there. So this is the overview of the workflow. Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to introduce the information processing flowchart for our project. This chart is drawn from the user's perspective, and it shows how the whole app experience flows, mainly divided into 2 paths. Starting from the top left, the user opens the app, then logs in or signs in. It will confirm if the login was successful. If not, the user should check their own account and password. If it's their first time, they will see a map of Taiwan, and they can choose which area they want to explore. After selecting, the process moves to the right. This is where the walking or running begins. From here, the flow splits into 2 directions. The left path is for the state goal missions, and the right path is for the daily mission. Both happen at the same time. On the left side, when user reaches step milestone, the system shows an introduction for a local attraction and a quiz, and users have to answer the question. If the answer is incorrect, the system will return to the introduction and ask the question again until the answer is correct, at which the point attraction on the map will be unlocked. Then the system checks if the map is fully unlocked. If yes, the user can view the entire map. If not, the process loops back to walking and continuing missions. This represents the long-term cycle because the state data keeps accumulating until all attractions are unlocked. Now, look at the right side. This is the daily mission loop. Users can complete simple daily tasks like checking or feeding the turtle. When a task is done, they receive a fruit as a reward. Then they can feed the turtle. And once it has enough growth points, it levels up. So this slide shows the short daily interaction cycle. Both paths ultimately lead here, allowing user to select any of the functions: the profile page, daily step record, map, and goals. These are extra interactions where users can check the progress anytime. When everything is done, the process ends with the user closing the app. So overall, this flow chart shows two main cycles: the long-term stage goal flow and the short-term daily mission flow. Together, they form the entire game's storyline and blend daily motivation with ongoing exploration. To stand out in the tourism market, we develop our strategies through the ERRC framework, analyzing with 4 perspectives. First is eliminate. We eliminate all the popular tourist attractions where the competition is already intense. We also eliminate advertisement and commercial promotions, creating a clean and relaxed environment. Next, reduce. We simplify the way we present our information, keeping only the most relevant content. And we also reduce complicated and unnecessary functions. Then, raise. We raise our focus on rural and remote areas, highlighting their unique value, stories, and communities. And we try to enliven traveling, making it more engaging and alive. Finally, create. We create a system centered on step and path racing mechanism at a quiz-based unlocking game to encourage learning, and design an achievement and digital collecting systems that can turn travel into a record of personal growth. And furthermore, we compare our apps with major platforms such as Klook, TripAdvisor, Line Travel, and Tourism Administration, and OTC. So our analysis covers these 10 aspects. And as you can see, while we may not as practical and comprehensive as our competitors, but our apps excel in saver, interactivity, achievement, and user stickiness. And we provide a small scope of information, but we stand out in the country depth. And we are less commercial since we don't include booking functions, accommodation listing, and pre-arranged itineraries. However, this actually enhances user experience because we hope to provide a greater freedom and flexibility, allowing the users to plan and enjoy their journeys at their own pace. So, from those key points, we can summarize our unique value into one line: rural areas, deep exploration, and gamified experience. Our app seamlessly blends with our daily lives, so every step you take can contribute to your exploration. We connect walking, playing, learning, and collecting into a whole new journey. So through this process, users not just visit places, they walk into stories, collect memories, change themselves, and grow along the way. So in short, our apps turn travel in a playful and meaningful adventure, bring people closer to the unseen beauty of Taiwan's countryside. So this is our presentation. Thank you for listening.